Okay. All right. So here is a two-dimensional array, and I'll be showing you how to basically loop through the two-dimensional array. And for those that don't know, a two-dimensional array is basically an array of arrays. Um, an array with arrays as items, and then from there, 2D. It's basically like it's pretty self-explanatory. It's two-dimensional. But the syntax here is with the brackets. The first set of brackets is the amount of what do you call it, rows, and then here the second set of brackets is the amount of columns. One set of arrays is counts as a row, and each item in said array is a column. Okay. Now, basically, what's happening here is that we are looping through the rows, right? We're looping through each row. So this row and this row first. Well, not, well, looping through each row first. And then once we're in that row, we're going to loop through each column. But you want, I mean, it's basically looping through an array and then looping through this array, right? We're looping through this array. And then on that first loop, we're looping through this array. But, to keep things a little more like a little easier to follow, you want to follow that terminology of rows and columns with two-dimensional arrays. But yes, we're gonna loop through the row, and then once we're in the row, we're gonna loop through each column, and then from there, we just output the the array itself right here, 2dr, and we just output the numbers. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, as you can see, output over here. It's 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, and we just oh, and the reason why this end line is here is so we could. It's kind of like a new line, basically. Um, but yeah, that's how we went through the two-dimensional arrays or two-dimensional array.